Okay, today we got a Robocop 2. This had some weird faults with it. BAD TTL there, I think it was a 374. More BAD 374s here. 3 BAD RAM, 1, 2, 3. 3 of them and 3 of them for the colour. All slightly different problems. BAD ROM for the Oki, BAD OKI. Yeah, there's just lots of faults. Just soldering on this one. Yeah, a bit of a dog. So let's fire it on. Someone's turned the dip switches. Was that me? There we go. We lost demo sound now. There we go.
Robocop.
Okay, there we go. 0 errors. Not very impressed with this one, but finished nonetheless.